Do you want to know how to use Recovery Drive to restore Windows 11 PC? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Essentially, a recovery drive stores a copy of your Windows 11 or 10 environment without your personal files and desktop applications on another source, such as a DVD or USB drive. So in the event your Windows goes south, you can restore it from that drive. In this video, we will illustrate how you can use a recovery drive to restore a Windows 11 or 10 computer. Method 1. Boot the PC using the recovery drive. Connect the USB drive or insert the DVD into your computer and restart it. As your computer restarts, press the appropriate key like F2, F12, Escape, Delete, etc. to enter the BIOS or UEFI settings and boot from the USB drive or DVD instead of your hard drive. You can check your user manual or visit the manufacturer's website to check the BIOS key. Save the changes and exit BIOS or UEFI. Your computer will now boot from the recovery drive. Method 2. Select the language. Once the computer boots from the recovery drive, you will enter the Windows recovery environment. At the keyboard layout screen, select the keyboard for your language or country and press Enter. Method 3. Recover from a drive. On the next screen, select the Troubleshoot option. In the Troubleshoot menu, choose Recover from a drive to instruct the computer to take the version of Windows on your recovery drive. As a reminder, this means all your files and apps will be removed after the operating system is reinstalled. Method 4. Remove files. While removing files, you will see two options. One option is just remove my files. This option will remove your files but keep your system ready for immediate use. It's faster but less secure if you plan to keep using the PC. The second option is fully clean the drive. This option will completely clean the drive, which takes more time but ensures all data is thoroughly erased. Choose this if you are planning to recycle the computer. In this demonstration, we are clicking just remove any files. Method 5. Recover Windows. The final step is to click Recover. The recovery process will begin. This may take some time depending on the size of your drive and the option chosen. The computer will warn you one more time that all personal files will be deleted and any apps that did not come with the OS will be removed. If you partitioned your hard drive, this will restore it to its original state, which means you will have to set up the partition again. Method 6. Finalize recovery. At this step, Windows will then show that it's recovering your PC. Your computer will restart several times during the process. When finished, Windows 11 or 10 will be officially reinstalled. Method 7. Set up Windows. At this last step, Windows then takes you through the OOBE setup process and applies any updates. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up Windows. This will include creating a user account, choosing your region, and configuring your network settings. After the setup is finished, you can sign into Windows 11 or 10. You can now restore your personal files if you have previously backed them up. You will also need to reinstall your applications as well. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.